it shows. I remember selling perks on my fucking front door. Remember my bill, my bill, my bill, my bill, my bill. Fucking talented, that's why nobody fuck with me. I could teach you how to swag, nigga, you a wannabe. Get your money, get your bread, yo, I'll get you some chains, nigga, this my fucking world. So you should get used to me, nigga, that is not your girl. Wait, that shit get you in me, now you hella mad as fuck. And you talking about shooting me, nigga, I don't give a fuck. This shit is not new to me, you ain't really gon' do shit. You might wanna be to me, nigga, you know just a dick. Since we fucking years ago, now you copying and shit. You just be yourself a bro, that team I do what I want. Every day I'm paying roles, nigga, I can smell your fit. You a pussy and it shows. I remember selling perks on my fucking front door. Remember my bill with a rose. I am on my own, but it's so cold. Life ain't shit when you could go.